go for a drive.
Oh, lots of different transports.
Let's go for a drive. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That's so fun. Drive, 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 we drive. Wait. If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. A map? Guess I have a map. Get the map. You can't go for a drive without a map. I have a map. Drive, drive, drivey, drive. Map, map, mappy map. Wait, we might be sunny when we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get the sunglasses. Zap. Bring sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have sunglasses. Drive, drive, drivey, drive. Sunglasses. Sunny's glasses. Sunglasses. Wait, it's my train. Will we drive?
While we drive.
While we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have umbrellas. Drive, drive, drivey, drive. Umbrellas.
Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas.
Wait, we have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those
Bags.
bags. Get those bags. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof. I have the bag. Drivey, bags, baggy bags. Wait. There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car. I said we need a car. Do you have a car? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car could be silly.
What a
silly.
Yeah.
Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no. We have everything we need for our drive except a car.
Except a car. Oh, that was a sad face. Oh.
Look at this.
I know, very sad. What should we do to help Gerald?
This face.
I know, look at his eyes.
He's upset a car.
Except a car.
It's angry. Our plan is ruined.
Our plan is ruined.
I didn't know an elephant needs to stay like a person. What are we going going to do? What are we going to do now? We could play pirate. How did Dom play pirate? I didn't know Dom can make pirates like that.
They put everything together, made a pirate ship.
A boat.
Yeah, a boat.
And a map. Who needs plans? Then you have a piggy for a...
When? Who needs plans when you have piggy as a pal?
When you have a piggy for a
pal.
Pal.
Pal means friend. Good reading. I love your reading. Do you love Piggy and Gerald book? I know that's your favorite. Ooh, I love you too, Bobby. Oh, so cute.